everyone, Maxine here with Tink and I Treasures. Welcome back to my studio. Today we have a box. Ooh. I just received my order from Your Creative Studio. This is the March box, so today's March 1st, so it's current and I believe could be still available. So let's take a look and see what's inside. Let's see if I can lift the contacts out, get rid of the box. And we got our little thank you card for Your Creative Studios. This is neat paper. I kind of want to save it. You know how we are. And let's see what we got. I'm going to be just seeing this for the first time right along with you. So let's open up and see what this is. Okay, so it's pieces of paper for collaging, I suppose. Different sizes. Here, let me tap these down. Put those back in there. So, come on. Okay. So, they're pieces of paper. And there's a square. What is that? 2-inch? No, it's about 2.5 by 2.5 square. And then we've got a rectangular one that is 3.5 by, what is that? About 2 1/4, kind of in between the two. So yeah, look at all those. Those will be fun. And these are a little bit bigger. They are about 4 1/4 inches long. So yeah, so these will be fun to use, huh? For collages or, you know, little backings, little clusters. It'd be great for clusters. So, wow, that's cool. So there's that. I won't take time putting things back in the little, what is it? I don't know. Let's open it and see. Oh, it's a little booklet with papers for collaging. Or again, clusters. They're kind of dark though. Well, that one's not too bad. I guess maybe they just look dark in here. So they're translucent. So, well, there you go. So they're not too dark. They're just translucent. So just kind of looks dark in this little book, but yeah, these will be nice to have for little clusters and collaging and stuff. I don't know. Let's open her up. Oh, nice. Oh, sweet. Oh, I like it. Oh, look at this. Ah, you know how I am. I love ephemera. Look at that. Labels with, some of them have numbers and some of them are just blank. So if you have, you know, stamps, you could use your stamps and make your own. That feels funny though. Wait a minute. Oh. They're going everywhere. There's a lot of them. Is that a sticker? I'm wondering if that's a sticker. It is. Okay, so this one is a sticker. I'm not sure if they all are, though. Check out these little ones. I don't know. Are they a sticker? Oh, boy. Huh. I'm not really sure. Of course, you gotta know, right? Because if you glue down a sticker, you know what happens. The back's glued down and the sticker part comes off. Oh, yes, it is a sticker. Okay, so all these are stickers. Well, that's cool. Not sure about the little ones. The big ones, those are great, but the little ones, I don't know about that. But look at all the ones you get. I mean, they're just all kinds of shapes and sizes, lines, no lines, blank, some with numbers. This is awesome. Look at all that. What fun, huh? Well, that's going to be very handy. I'll pick up all these pieces that went everywhere. Yeah, that's going to be very handy. I like that. So far, I'm happy with this box. I'll tell you, sometimes I am wholly disappointed. I mean, not with Creative Studios specifically, but just with subscription boxes in general. I get what is it called? FabFitFun subscription boxes, and you know, sometimes I'm very happy with what I get, and other times I'm very disappointed. Here's a washi tape. Isn't that pretty? Oh, I like that a lot. Has script on there and wildflowers, and I love the color too. So that'll be a washi tape I'll use. I don't normally use washi tapes very much, but I think I will use that one. I love these envelopes. You know I'm keeping those, right? You know I'm keeping these. Oh, look at that. Really nice stamps with wildflowers. Here, maybe this will help. I don't know if you can see those. They're pretty dark. I mean, this image on this side is pretty dark. But yeah, can you see those? Really nice wildflowers. I like that. Okay, so what's in here? Yeah, so far, I want to say this box was about $38 US. So not, oh, look at that. Oh, can you see that? I'm sorry, my lighting sucks. That's something else I have to work on. You see that? Oh, I love it. It has like a plant, flora type wildflower, and then script in there. Oh, I like that a lot. What fun, huh? And what do we got here? Looks like tickets. Not sure how to open it. Doesn't seem to have one of those easy open type things. So let's see what we can do here. There we go. There we go. Okay, oh, it's in a little, oh, look at that. Isn't that cute? Yeah, I can't read that, but, oh, look at that. So they're like tickets. They're perforate. It looks like they're perforated. Oh, they feel funny. I wonder if these are stickers. Oh, they are stickers. Awesome. But yeah, look at these. They're like little tickets, and you can separate them or keep them together. Birds. Oh, little rabbits. More birds. Rabbits. Looks like birds and rabbits, huh? Oh, look at that. Isn't that cute? Oh, little fur forest creatures, I guess. Birds, and those are pretty dark. Rabbits. Yeah, I like these. Oh, there's a little fox. Isn't that cute? Owls. Are you seeing a theme in this one? I'm not sure. Ooh, I like the bee. I don't know if I'm seeing a theme. Wildflowers and little forest creatures. I'm not sure. Okay. What's these? These are Deco Stickers. So these are stickers with wildflowers. So yeah, I guess it's wildflowers is the theme, perhaps. Oh, those are really nice. They're translucent and they're stickers. Oh, I like those. Those will be really handy for decorating journaling cards or tags. Oh, what's this? Oh, these are those perforation there. Perforate. Am I saying that right? Probably not. Perforated. So yeah, some darker ones. They're kind of translucent though, again, so they're not as dark as what they look like because they're translucent. So yeah, those are nice. They're not stickers. They're just translucent little images. I like that. What do we got here? Paper ephemera. Like cards, like journaling cards, huh? Yeah. Oh, there's a whole bunch that are the same there. There's another design. That's another design. I like these. They're very smooth finish. Yeah, these are gonna be great for journaling cards. And you know, you could decorate them up a little bit or not. I think either way would work. Would that go? Oh, I don't know, probably not, but anyway, yeah. Those are nice. That's nice to use. What do we got here? A lot of stuff to unpack, guys. This this is pretty awesome. Okay, these, what are these? Oh, you know what? Is this a sticker? Oh my goodness. It is. It's a big old sticker. Huh. These are, oh my goodness, almost 6 inches. Yeah, this is like a 6-inch square. Nice. Huh? Oh, that's going to be fun. And, oops. Oh, what's this? Oh, wow. These are little pull-off stickers. So these are very, yeah, these are little, pretty sure. Yep, there we go. Yeah, little translucent. Isn't that cute? Okay. And paper ephemera, it says. I don't know. These are not stickers. This is just paper. So, and this is, let's see here. This is 5 inches by 6. So it's 6 by 5. So yeah, nice size. Oh, well, different designs. So I like the colors of this kit. Oh. Looks like you get, what is it, 3, 4 of each design. I like that. Yeah, I like the colors of this kit. Very vintagey. Wildflower, I guess, would be the theme of it. I think all of her kits have some kind of theme. So yeah, I would say this is, you know, this is a pretty nice, I love this. I mean, you know, stamps are not cheap, you know, when you get five of them. So this, there, this little booklet, and these papers, and these stickers. This is going to be so much fun. Look at these. You could take your own stamps, and you got stamps here. If you didn't have any stamps, here you go, you know. And you can just stamp on these blank ones and make your own little design. Yeah, so there's tons of them in here, all different kinds, shapes and sizes. And some are blank, some have the numbers already on them. Oh boy. Anyway, so there you go, guys. I hope you liked this little preview. Your Creative Studio. Awesome kit. This one is for March. I am filming this on March 1st, so like I said, there could still be some available, maybe not, but yeah, go check out her site. I think if you Google Your Creative Studio, it will come up. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and happy crafting. Until the next time, take care of you, love each other, and I'll see you again. Bye.